Thinking of buying a home? Pre-qualifying for a Bank of America mortgage online gives you an estimate of what you can borrow without a hard credit check. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Use the Get Pre-Qualified tool on the Bank of America mortgage website. You'll answer questions about your income, assets, debts, and the home you're looking for. You'll also authorize a soft credit check. You'll receive a pre-qualification letter with an estimated loan amount. This is not a loan commitment, but it shows sellers you're a serious buyer. My crucial pro tip? Get pre-qualified before you start serious house hunting. In competitive markets, many sellers' agents require a pre-qualification letter with your offer. Having it ready makes you a stronger buyer from the start. It also helps you focus your search on homes within your budget. Take the first informed step toward homeownership with clarity. What's the biggest question you have about the mortgage pre-qualification process? For more home buying guides, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.